Gas mask essentials preparing for World War III and civil unrest. Are you prepared for the possibility of World War III and civil unrest? With tensions rising around the world, it's more important than ever to have a gas mask in your emergency preparedness kit. There are different types of gas masks available, each offering different levels of protection. From disposable masks to full-face respirators, it's essential to choose the right one for you and your family. When selecting a gas mask, pay close attention to the filter cartridges. These cartridges are what keep you safe from harmful chemicals and gases. Make sure to regularly check and replace your cartridges to ensure maximum protection. In times of civil unrest, the air quality can quickly deteriorate due to tear gas and other chemicals being used. Having a gas mask can mean the difference between life and death for you and your loved ones. Stay safe and be prepared. Get your gas mask today before it's too late. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more essential survival tips.